Wow, what a place to live. My God, eh? Yep, and that's your front garden. Incredible. So we have got some stormy weather in the UK today. I'm not going to be taking the Mini 3 up just because the fear of probably losing it or something. It's very, very windy above the treetops, but down here, ground level.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play
Low level, so what we're going to do, we're going to get the DJI NEO up, have a bit of a sound test because my new props have arrived. Okay, right, on my phone I have a decibel reader. I'm going to access that now. So standing just here. Okay, right. So the average is about 34 decibels. Change the props over and let's do it again. You can see the difference. These are 5-spoked, these are 3-spoked. The important thing is that you've got to get them kind of in a diagonal, like an X shape. So that one there's got to match that one there, that one there's got to match that one there. So I just need to remove one now, and then I'll put the new one back in, and then we can carry on with our little test. And then we use these ones to fly around the forest and just see the performance. Really, I'm just really looking for maybe slightly better performance perhaps, but a lot less noise really from the props, which is obviously going to help. Okay, right, we'll take it off again and we conduct the test. Hopefully I've got the props on the right way. Wow, that's a lot quieter, isn't it? Well, I mean, I don't know, but to me, audibly, standing 4 feet away, there's a massive difference. You can probably pick it up on the camera as well. Well, I think there's a massive improvement there, but we're going to fly around, just get filming. Away we go. Any difference in speed, I wonder? I'm not sure. I don't think there's going to be, but...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
well, you know, by the time you watch this, it's probably going to be over, but I hope there's not too much devastation in your neck of the woods. We're very fortunate down here. Yeah, right, okay. We're just losing signal slightly. I'm going to bring it back in a kind of like a homeward direction in a sense, because it's glitching up quite badly. But this is just a wonderful place to be, it really is. I'd say I am absolutely blown away, excuse the pun, with the quietness of those props. I mean, why can't, this is what I don't get, why can't DJI, okay, why can't they, you know, from the point of manufacture, put those props on? Why don't they do that? Why have you got to go to an aftermarket supplier somewhere? That's what I don't get. Okay, there we go. Anyway, I suppose there's, I don't know, it's a reason for it, I suppose. Perhaps it's all to do with costs, but I wouldn't have thought it would have made much difference. You know, an extra £1 or so maybe to put some quieter props on. I think it's just one of the downsides. I think if you have got the Neo, you're going to notice this. It absolutely screams. I mean, it really does. It's not a quiet drone. I mean, the props I got on it now, I mean, it's just made such a difference. I'm really impressed. I'm going to have to go back on eBay or Amazon and go and get some more. I will stick a link down below, guys, so you can go and have a look for yourself. And perhaps you want to buy some. I think I paid about £10 for them, which to me is an absolute bargain, especially when I want to stealth it through a forest like this. Just hunting for the gaps and just manoeuvring around trees and just really creeping up on something which might be in here. Yeah, it's cool, man. Right, stick it on sports mode. Give ourselves a bit of a thrill. Excuse me. Oh, hello, we're down. Okay, we go and pick it up. It's not far away at all. We'll fly again. We found it. I just want to check to see that the props are okay. They are kind of an opaque colour, so it makes it quite difficult to see whether there's any breakages or cracks. Looks like Socks has lost his yellow coat in there somewhere, so I'm going to see if I can find it with my drone. So here we go. Not sure how successful this is going to be, but we shall. So it's really just trying to you're trying to locate that position. Okay. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to land the drone on it, and then I can find...
Landing.
Okay, then I can now find the drone, so that's what we're going to go and do. And then we get up again for another flight. Okay, so it turns out it wasn't that far away from me, but it was far enough that I probably wouldn't have found it. But there we go, I've got it now. So it came in really handy, that did, didn't it? Okay, well I'll pop it on the dog and then we'll get out for another flight. Right, everything's okay. We've got the my little coat for socks. We're going to get filming, and we fly off in this direction. We're just going to go and have a little nose around, really, see what there is over this part of the forest. It's quite lovely, actually. Okay. Wow, looks really wild, doesn't it? There's a lot of scrubland out there and whatever else. You don't really want to be losing your drone in there, do you? Not at all. Yeah, do you know what? I very nearly went out and bought myself a flip earlier today. I really had to restrain myself because I'm just so inquisitive to see how it would actually do out in environments like this. I think in open environments like this is going to be kind of all right, but in maybe some other environments where I tend to fly, which are a lot more busier, I think there's going to be a bit of a problem with it. Yeah, I don't think it could take an absolute hammering, you know, the kind of hammering which I tend to give drones. You know, I do absolutely put them through their paces, especially the Neo, because it's a one-piece if you notice that the Neo is a one-piece construction, there's no folding arms or anything like that. Basically, it's cast in plastic like that. So no folding arms, no Achilles heel, kind of protected a little bit by these little flanges sticking out. They protrude out further than the actual gimbal itself, so it offers it some protection. So if it does impact a tree like that, you can see that the gimbal itself really isn't going to take the full force. It's going to be on there and on there, so it's a really good design, and it's built perfectly for flying around environments such as this. It's a really, really good drone. Another flight into the wilderness. There we go, the DJI NEO. Off he goes. We're just gonna take it in a direction away from the home point. We're just gonna see what there is over here. I've not flown this part of the wood before, so we might see something kind of interesting. It's very open, isn't it? Gosh, wow. Well, let's go somewhere that's a bit more interesting, I think. Perhaps over this way. It looks a bit darker, doesn't it? Okay, there's a bit of there's a pathway there or something. We're just going to scoot on in here then, and we've got to keep our wits about us, haven't we? So we fly through here. But you can just see how wild it is. It's just wonderful, isn't it? Yeah. Just flying by the seat of our pants. I just love flying in woods. Just something quite incredible about it. Okay, right, we're just gonna have a general fly around this particular part of the wood just to see what there is. You never know, you might see something jumping or running around. We may do. really enjoyed myself today out there in the woods. I think those props were a really good buy for £10. So much quieter. I cannot believe how quiet they actually are compared to the standard ones. Really good buy. I'll stick a link down below if I can remember to do that. But I've really enjoyed myself out in the woods today once again, from my little DJI NEO. I was kind of tempted to get a flip actually. I thought about it earlier. I want to go and get myself a flip, but I kind of resisted that for now. I think at some point I might well do that. But if you have enjoyed this video, guys, then please give it a like up, and also please consider subscribing. It kind of helps the algorithm. It helps my channel to grow. And if you like this kind of content, please, by all means, subscribe. Anyway, guys, just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. More videos to come of me flying my drone in and amongst the trees. It's just such a beautiful area. Thanks for watching, and as always, bye for now.